Good day and welcome to today's video. Today I'll be taking you through Information Online's operational aspects. In this video I'll be covering 5 topics: signing in, changing a password, actioning a checklist or audit, uploading a file, and debriefing. Let's start by signing in. Note that your login details will be sent to you via email. When you first sign in, you will be asked to change your password. Your new password cannot match the previous one, and it needs to include 8 characters or more with a combination of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and special characters. You will be taken to the main screen, where your checklist name or audit name is displayed on the left. Clicking on an item will bring up the questions on the right side of the screen. To action a question, you need to click on Action. A window will appear prompting you to select a compliance and to supply further information. Let's select Yes as my compliance. To submit the question, click on the Submit Response button. You will receive a pop-up notification in the top right-hand corner to confirm your submission, and the question itself will turn green. Let's go to the next question. Here, I will select my compliance as being not applicable, and I will submit the question. The next question will have a negative compliance. As a result of my negative compliance, I am required to supply further information to justify my selection, such as a comment, accountable person, and action due date. Some questions will require you to upload a supporting file. To upload a file, click on Upload and choose. You will then need to browse your PC or device and choose the supporting file. Click on the Submit Image button to upload your file. You will see a pop-up to confirm your upload. Click on the Submit Question Set button only when all questions have been actioned and all supporting files have been uploaded. Once again, you will see a notification to confirm the action. Repeat the process for all remaining items under the Checklist Due section on the left. That concludes the first part. Now let's move on to debriefing. Note that debriefing can only be performed by people in senior or management positions, such as a branch or store manager. Signing in as a store manager will take you to the same main screen as shown in the first part of the video. As a store manager, you will have special access to the debrief functionality by clicking on Debrief. The same basic layout applies here, with the checklist or audit name on the left side and the questions on the right side. It is important to debrief and vet the answers of all questions, not just the non-compliant findings. We can debrief a question by clicking on this arrow here. The question will expand and present the debriefing options. Here, you can input your comments, change the compliance if necessary, list responsible people, change or input the action date, and more. When you are done, click on Submit Debrief, and your feedback will be submitted for that specific question. You may then proceed to debrief the remaining questions, or click on Close Debrief to submit the entire checklist or audit. Repeat the process for all remaining items under the Due for Debrief section on the left. This concludes our walkthrough of Information Online's operational aspects. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions.